What's keeping you busy?
I'm currently doing 2 films right now, so I hope you guys help me with that and support me when they show. So,
Definitely,
yes.
definitely. Everyone will support you for
That's what
that.
I've been up to too. Dancing.
We like it.
We absolutely love it. Can you tell us a little bit about the projects that you'll be coming up with, about those 2 movies? Can you give us a little bit of an insider or clues, a little clues?
Not allowed yet.
Not allowed yet. Okay. We're excited for it already, definitely. This is definitely a one-of-a-kind convention, and it's really such a pleasure to have Miss Jessie here with us tonight. Ibang-iba talaga ang Suzuki, di ba? Iba talaga. I see the men nodding.
Jessie, join the ride already, di ba? Join the ride. All right, Jessie. Narinig mo naman, tonight it's all about the celebration of the partnerships sa ating mga dealers, production, correct, media, and of course ang ating Suzuki family. Meron ka bang message sa ating Suzuki family ngayong gabi?
Congratulations for such a successful event, and I hope patuloy lang yung partnership niyo with Suzuki. So, yeah, have a good evening, everyone.
Palakpakan naman natin, Jessie and Joanna, ladies and gentlemen.